That deck is a beast. So today we've got the 45RC and we've got the brush cutter deck. We're going to do some gorse removal here at Cannock Chase Council. We're also going to do a walk around in the machine and let you know how it works. So the 45RC has a Kubota petrol engine. It's 32 horsepower as opposed to the diesel that we've seen so far. We're going to talk through the controls as well. So the controls are over here. PTO button exactly where it used to be before. Light switches, park brake. You'll notice it's electronic park brake on this machine now, not the old lever type that we used to. We're going to go through the beacon, electronic joystick control, and we've also got a nice new dashboard as well. So we're going to walk through the electronic joystick control. So forwards and reverse is exactly how it always has been. Lift and lower is exactly how it always has been. Float has now moved to this green button on the side. We've got the orange and yellow buttons which do our 12-volt front kit. We've also got a red button on the side which is for our 12-volt front kit. Our V-trim buttons, so this is how we can control the speed. Auxiliary hydraulic functions are now on this little lever, and we've also got a button on the back to tell us we're in reverse. So this is our 45RC remote control. You can see at the moment we've got the option to look through the camera so we can see where we're going. We can also flick this button across and see some information. You can see here we're in park, our slope rating, fuel level, speed, engine RPM, and also the distance from ourselves to the remote. With this machine, we can't be within 15 foot to turn on the PTO for safety. We use these levers here to drive it forwards and backwards. We can lift and lower the deck. We can use this lever here for our auxiliary controls. These buttons do our electric controls for our 12-volt front kit. Park brake on and off, PTO, float for the deck. We've also got the option to adjust our steering trim so we can make sure the machine's tracking straight when we're actually using the remote. It's all adjustable from the remote, which is a really good feature. The 45RC comes with this strap as standard to hold your remote. If you fall over, the machine will cut out because there's an inclinometer actually built into the remotes. It also comes with the option of having a stand on the machine to store your remote, so you don't have to leave it all the way back in the truck. It tells us on the remote how far away we are from the machine, so the PTO won't engage when we're within 15 feet, and it's a remote that is featured up to 500 feet when we're working away from the machine. So the 45RC also comes with a touchscreen dashboard. On here we can go into settings, we can go through diagnostics, all different kinds of things. We can go back onto our main menu and it gives us the option to see what we're actually doing. We can go up on the V-trim. If you see here, it's changing the speed. It obviously gives us our range, our RPM, and our slope meter is now built into the dash, so we don't have a separate inclinometer. So down this side, we have these two buttons here. We've got a button which controls our speed depending on our engine load. We've got our revs up and down, which is incremental, so we can touch it to go up slightly or hold it to go to maximum revs. And we've also got our remote switch just on the side here. Okay, so we've done a quick overview of the machine and now we're actually going to go and see it in action. So here we are then, we're going to be cutting this gorse down here. The reason we're going to be using it in RC mode is John can actually be his own banksman. He can be walking ahead of the machine and just making sure that we're not going to run into anything as we get down there, as well as actually operating the machine at the same time. We could use it in the sit-on feature, actually be on the machine operating it as well, but we chose to use the RC for this, especially because it's a little bit spiky. We don't want to cause ourselves any damage, as well as obviously being our own banksman as well. So now we've used the RC mode up there, doing that gorse clearance. We're going to get on the seat, you know, using that ultimate versatility, getting back on the seat. There's some heather here we want to try and avoid. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to sit on the seat so it's just easier to see, a little bit more delicate. This has been the 45RC. We've been really impressed with it today doing this gorse. If you want to see it with another attachment on, by all means leave a comment below and we'll try and get another video done for you.